Congratulations on your new Wolf coffee system. This quick start was designed to give you the tools and techniques you need to create personalized cafe-quality beverages. Let's begin with an overview of your coffee system. Slide the entire unit forward to access the whole bean and pre-ground coffee compartments. Access the unplumbed water tank at the front of the unit. Pull the tank out to fill with cold, fresh tap water. Water should be changed daily to prevent bacteria or mold. The coffee dispensing spout enables filling of 1 or 2 cups at a time. To fill 1 cup, center the cup under both coffee spouts. To fill 2 cups simultaneously, place the cups side by side. The port for attaching the hot water dispenser or milk frothing container is located next to the coffee dispensing spout. The used grounds container is positioned to the left of the coffee spout and should be emptied when prompted by the system's display. The removable drip tray slides out for easy cleaning. Let's discuss 2 important aspects of brewing coffee: grind and temperature. The correct grind and temperature settings ensure proper extraction for full, robust flavor without bitterness. To adjust the grind setting, the system must be on and the mill in use. Turn the dial clockwise toward the large bean icons for a coarser grind. Turn counterclockwise toward the small bean icons for a finer grind. We recommend starting at level 3 or 4 and adjusting the grind incrementally by half levels. It may take multiple brewing cycles to optimize the mill to the new grinder setting. Temperature can also be adjusted to make a cup to your precise taste. Access the temperature settings in the Extended Options menu. We recommend beginning at a higher temperature indicated by 3 or 4 dots. Settings may differ depending on the roast. For example, lighter roasts tend to perform better with higher temperatures. Dark or espresso roasts perform better at a slightly lower temperature. 3 dots is a good starting point. Try adjusting either the grind or brew temperature until your coffee tastes the way you like it. To correct bitter tasting coffee, try a coarser grind and a lower temperature. If your coffee tastes weak or watery, adjust the mill to a finer grind and the water to a higher temperature. When your initial grind and temperature settings are established, it's time to select the right type of coffee. Let's begin with whole beans. Start with beans you already know you like. Dark roast beans, sometimes labeled espresso roast, will produce optimal results, especially for milk drinks, as the bean and milk flavors complement each other. Medium roasts from Brazil, Bolivia, Mexico, or Hawaii also work well. But remember, it's all about your personal taste. The freshness of the beans has a large impact on the taste. Use beans within 1 to 2 weeks of purchase for peak freshness. For best results, store the beans in an airtight container in a cool, dry, and dark place. Avoid storing beans in your Wolf coffee system's whole bean compartment, as they will be exposed to more oxygen and moisture, accelerating flavor loss. To avoid contamination and clogging, do not use oily, caramelized, or flavored beans. Your Wolf coffee system also accepts pre-ground coffee. Similar roast and freshness recommendations apply to pre-ground coffee. However, flavored pre-ground coffee may be used. Pre-ground coffee should be stored in a similar manner as whole beans, though ground coffee will not stay as fresh as long. Now it is time to brew. When brewing with the Wolf coffee system, you are essentially selecting a coffee strength and volume. Let's begin using whole beans. Slide the entire unit forward and place whole beans in the bean compartment. Slide the unit back into place and position a cup under the coffee dispenser spout, lowering the spout as close to the cup as possible. Set the brew strength from extra mild to extra strong by pressing the bean button until you reach your desired strength. Next, set the desired volume. Press the small and large cup button until you reach the desired size, from a 1-ounce espresso to a 12-ounce long coffee. Press the single cup button to initiate brewing for 1 cup, or press the 2-cup button to initiate a doubled volume. For customized coffee volume, refer to the detailed use and care manual. To brew with pre-ground coffee, power on the machine. Slide the unit forward and place 1 scoop of grounds in the compartment's funnel using the provided scoop. Note, the unit must be on before adding coffee grounds, and using more than 1 scoop per cycle may cause the unit to clog. Slide the unit back into place and position a cup under the coffee dispenser spout, adjusting the spout as close to the cup as possible. Press the bean button until pre-ground appears on the display. Select the desired amount of coffee by pressing the small and large cup button, and press the single or 2 cup button to start brewing. In addition to regular coffee, your Wolf coffee system can craft a wide range of pre-programmed specialty espresso and milk drinks, like cappuccinos, latte macchiatos, cafe lattes, and frothed milk. Frothed milk can be used to make decadent hot chocolate or chai lattes. The type of milk used is key to achieving the desired frothy consistency. Cold skim milk performs the best. Non-dairy milk alternatives like soy and almond milk work, but may have a different look and mouthfeel. Our recommended dairy alternative is oat milk, as it performs most similarly to skim milk. To prepare the machine for specialty milk beverages, first fill the milk container, adjust the froth regulator to your desired drink type, and insert the container into the receptacle on the coffee system. Place a cup under the coffee spout, ensuring the milk spout is also positioned over the cup. Depending on the beverage, you will need different cup sizes. Cappuccinos and latte macchiatos require a 5 to 6 ounce cup, and cafe lattes require a 10-ounce cup. To make a cappuccino, press the button with a small cup and foam, and the brewing process will begin. To make a latte macchiato, cafe latte, or frothed milk, press the button with the large cup with foam, then press the arrows to navigate to your desired beverage within the display menu. Press the Enter arrow to start brewing. Refer to your coffee system use and care manual for detailed instructions on creating customized milk beverages. If you wish to make flavored or specialty drinks that are not pre-programmed, such as a cafe mocha, we recommend adding flavorings or syrups to the cup before brewing. It is important to clean the milk spout after every use. To clean, place a separate cup under the milk spout, then press and hold the Clean button on the milk container until the bar is complete. A small amount of residual milk and steam will release. Unused milk may be stored in the container and placed in the refrigerator. Your coffee system is a full-service hot beverage center. To make hot water for tea, install the included water spout into the receptacle on the coffee system. Place a cup under the water spout and press the droplet button. Hot water will dispense. Press the droplet button again to stop. As with every appliance, routine cleaning and maintenance is required. Empty and clean the grounds container when the notification is displayed. To do so, open the service door, remove and empty the drip tray and grounds container, wash with warm water and mild dish soap, rinse, and towel dry. The coffee spout should be cleaned with a damp sponge or cloth. Use a toothpick to remove any residual coffee deposits. Clean the water tank monthly with a damp cloth and mild dish soap. Rinse and towel dry. Periodically, depending on use frequency and water harshness, a descaling message will appear on the display. Refer to your use and care guide for specific descaling instructions. Refer to your coffee system's use and care guide for additional cleaning and care recommendations. Your appliance should prove to be problem-free. But remember, if you ever need assistance, the Wolf Customer Care Team, located in Madison, Wisconsin, is standing by. Here's to delicious cup after cup.